The price of XRP is still trading in range, and pretty soon here, we're going to have a breakout either towards the downside or the upside. As price continues to consolidate, building higher support or even weakening the support, this video will help you have a better idea in which direction price is headed and also what the game plan is. So I'm going to need you to pay attention, watch this video all the way through to the end, because it is now time for our new analysis on XRP. To all the subscribers, welcome back to the channel, and everybody new, thank you for tuning in. My name is John here on Currency.com's channel. I'm your host, giving you guys a new updated analysis on XRP, and as well on the channel we talk about all of the top cryptos. Guess what though? More cryptos are now listed for trading on Currency.com on the platform. So that means we will have more and more analysis coming for you guys. It's been about a year and a half now since we started the channel. We've been growing a community overall, staying with our goal of keeping you guys informed with crypto, helping you understand crypto, and also understanding the price action. If that's all stuff that you enjoy, I'm going to show you just how you can stay more in tune with the channel. And I just want to show you guys something. The growth to the channel has been great. We're almost now at 25K subscribers. My goal was to get there before the end of the year. We do have now about a month and a half left, and I think that is possible. If you are watching this right now, make sure you are subscribed so you can add to our numbers and be part of the crew. I appreciate all the support you guys show to the channel, even all these comments like this. Lets us know which direction to keep going with the videos and what you guys enjoy. And to follow me even closer, you can find my Twitter. Just search @RealJohnDoe. Tweet me, all that good stuff. I do have a lot more crypto content that I do post on my page as well. Now let's have a look at XRP. I haven't talked about XRP in a while, even myself, but let's look how it's been performing. We see right now it is number 7 here on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of $50.7 billion. Looks like the past week hasn't been too crazy. Its price has been most likely consolidating, which we will get into later on into the video. And currently right now on Currency.com, let's have a look at the current trader sentiment, buyers and sellers. So for XRP right now, we do have 96% buyers and 4% sellers. That's a very good sign considering where price is at right now and how it's been trading in a range now for a few weeks. Now, as price continues to trade in range, we do have support and resistance levels that are updated from the last video. Right now, I do have $1, and that is November lows as the first support level. And then we have a pretty tight range, which is 95 cents, which just brings us back to October lows. And that's currently right now the major support for this current trading range. After that, if that does break, if we do break the lows, then we're heading down towards 84 cents, which brings us down towards September lows. Now, if things start pushing towards the upside of this current trading range, the next level I'm looking at is $1.11, which brings us right up towards that 50-day EMA resistance level. And then we have $1.20, and that is the mid-range resistance. And if we can break that, then we're getting to the higher range, potentially even breaking out of the range highs up towards $1.33. JP Morgan says that if Ripple wins the SEC lawsuit, XRP will have significant adoption. And trading on major exchanges like Coinbase and all the others that delisted XRP earlier this year, that will potentially be enabled again. And that will be part of the adoption for XRP, and even more things such as XRP versus SWIFT, which gives us faster money and international money transfers. We also have XRP versus stable coins, and also XRP Ripple actually versus the SEC. If that becomes resolved, then you know sky's the limit and things will be more clear on what can happen for XRP and Ripple. And Ripple, the company pretty much behind XRP, they even pitched a new crypto regulation framework to the SEC. And that right there just might be something that's signaling a settlement on the way. Because if we can't come to some sort of crypto regulations, then there will be far less lawsuits, and we will possibly even see all the coins start to fly, and all the good ones with good use cases will run to their potential. But as of right now, it seems like the lawsuit has gone silent. No clear indication still from both parties. I think it's most likely getting dragged out to benefit somehow both parties, because as we have seen in previous crypto lawsuits with the SEC, most have ended in a settlement, especially for something as big as Ripple and what they are planning to do. Now, let's talk about the price. So $2 is a major level we're watching. If we can't break out of this current range we're in, $2 means most likely XRP will head up towards a new all-time high. Right now, we are trading closer to the lower end of the price range, but a lot of traders are suggesting, and even looking at the chart, it's looking like we just may be getting a bear trap. I'm going to show you why. This next push to the downside, this might be something to trap in some bears, and then the price will reverse right back up. But let's jump right into the chart, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm seeing right now. Let's go. So right here, I have the daily chart for Ripple or XRP pulled up. And as you can see right here, I have my two zones marked out. The high and the low trading range. Look at price right now, it is leaning towards the low side of this trading range, which does gives a pretty good risk reward. If we do bounce from here and push towards the upside, it's about a 40% run. But here on the downside, your stop loss would be about down about 10% or so. So now XRP, it looks like we are testing the lows down towards $1. That's the major support level that we need to hold. If that breaks, then we're most likely heading down towards this 95 cent range. And then next level I'm looking at is down here towards 80 to 85 cents. Now for things on the upside, if we do bounce at these support levels, then I did have the resistance levels marked out. We have one right here at about 110, and then further on towards up here towards 130, and then up towards 140. And that's the high of this current trading range that we have been in now. As you can see, all the way back since about April, price has been trading in a range, dipped down, made it back in that range. And since August, we've been pretty much trading sideways for XRP. Now, if we do see this trend break down and continue testing support levels, 95 cents is a buy to dip opportunity. And then the next level after that is down towards 80 to 85 cents. These are close by, which does give quite a bit of risk if we do head down to those levels. But what you have to look at is if support holds and we bounce from that level, we will push up towards the next resistance levels, and then right up to about $1.40. That is a pretty nice run for XRP. If we do dip down below $1, that gives us even maybe a 50% run, which is a much higher risk reward than this current level that we're in. Even if we were trading at the high of this current range, a 50% run would mean XRP up towards $2. So buying that dip seems like the better trade and better risk to reward for XRP. And another thing to point out here, if you look at the price, it is making higher lows. Each time it does test out those bottom ranges, it makes a higher low. That's why I'm saying we could just end up seeing a bear trap where things break down, but then we get a nice recovery right at that support. And I think everything is all good for XRP as long as that 80 to 85 cent range does hold. But if price does come down below that range, let's say we get a huge drop down to 80 cents and then we have some consolidation there, then that's a whole different scenario. Then I'm expecting that to have a bear flag and break down to test these lows back here from July down to about 50 to 60 cents. But that's so far from this current level, so we haven't got there yet to see a clear picture. But I ain't gonna lie, looking at this chart right now, it looks pretty scary because it looks likely that we could break down from this range, an 80-cent range, and then break down as we get into the December or the end of 2021. But let me paint something bullish for you guys as well. If we do come down 95, 80 cents, that's also, maybe that's just could be the bottom and a buy to dip opportunity. And then we have that run for the end of 2021. So right now, looking at the price of XRP, for my game plan, that 95 cent level is where I would raise caution if that were to break. And then we have 80 to 85 cents. Those are the two major supports that I'm watching right now here on the higher time frame. And then towards the upside, $1.10 and this $1.30 range to $1.40. Now, if we add in some indicators to this mix, how are things looking? So this MACD on the daily, it did have a bearish crossover, and it looks like the bearish momentum is slowing down. It's picking up a little bit, but it is slowing down, and the MACD did cross below the zero line. If we look at the RSI as well, as you can see, the RSI did make a low, and now it's retesting as well as the price retesting those lows. So we could continue to see the RSI drop down towards that oversold range, which lines up with the price heading down towards 95 or even 85 cents. And then let's say that's where we get a nice bullish crossover for the MACD, and that's where we get a bottom for the RSI. Then in fact, we do have a bear trap down in that range. which sends XRP up towards the high of the range at about $1.40. And for this analysis, I stayed pretty much close range looking at the next move because I'm going to keep you guys updated in another video. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys exactly what my game plan is and what indications I'm looking for in terms of a move to the upside. So right now we are trading pretty sideways. I don't want to look too far outside of this trading range because we have been in this now for a few months, and I don't expect price to break out on the upside anytime soon. If it does, that is a very good sign. And then we can start looking at price targets up on the higher sides, like $2, which was my bullish price target for 2021. And so on. That's all for this video. Make sure you do hit that like button if you enjoyed. And since you made it here all the way to the end, take 2 seconds, leave a comment below. Let me know your feedback on the video. And if you want to see XRP videos more often, write a comment below. Just put XRP in there, hashtag XRP. And if we get enough of them, so we can know if we can add more and more XRP updates for you guys. But until next time, I'll see you again. It's John here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.